Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and this is a vitamin C serum that I have been loving from B&U. I use this serum every morning under my SPF, and I love how hydrated it makes my skin look and feel after waking up. After sleep, that's when my skin usually looks its most dehydrated, and this serum always just wakes up my skin, makes it look brighter and hydrated. A little goes a long way. The dropper doesn't hold much product, and I'm guessing it's because you really don't need more than a few drops to cover your whole face. I'm also happy that it comes in a sealed bottle that doesn't let light through, as vitamin C is known to need to be out of the light to remain stable. The form of vitamin C used is sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which they claim is a more stable form of vitamin C. Overall, I just really enjoy this product. It gets the job done of what I want out of a vitamin C product in the morning, and I love the hydration and glow that my skin has had since using this every day. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.